NS28R. Had 4 engines, 3 on line up front. We'll see if it has any pushers or not. It is a long train. .242 is finally leaving Greenville. Saw one on 24X today, SPG Logistics. I remember back in about 2017 when they were trying to combine 20D and 238 and come through here about 16,000 feet. I don't think this one's going to be quite 16,000 feet, but probably about 12, 13. And here comes the rear now. About 11,000, right. All right, and somebody's got a signal back there, and well, I guess we'll sneak on back to Welford, because I don't need to get 18D again. All right, that'll be NS28R north on 2 by, well, we're halfway between Archdale and, or actually Frey Creek. Yep, Frey Creek. All right.